Alright, y'all get up. Get up.
I don't want to get up.
Me either. Well, I said so.
But I'm too tired. I don't want to get up. Let me sleep it for like 20,000 more minutes.
Well, I said get up and get ready while I'm making breakfast. I'm taking you guys to your grandma.
But I don't want to go to grandma's.
I said get up, guys.
I'm gonna do my own thing. I'm gonna sleep it for a little more.
I thought I told them to get ready. Lamek and Lanaya. I thought I told you guys to get ready.
I forgot.
Yeah, I was just really tired. I told you guys to get up. Now hurry up and get ready. Gotta take you guys to your grandma's in 20 minutes.
Oh gosh, I don't want to.
I don't want to hear that. Lamek, what you murmuring about?
Nothing.
Right. Alright, breakfast is done. Y'all hurry up and eat.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. Y'all go grab your things, and then let's head out.
Okay.
Stop that whining.
I'm not whining.
Grandma, we're here! Oh, my babies! How y'all been?
I've been good.
Yeah, I've been good. Alright. Y'all been good in school?
Yes.
I have. Can I have some of that cake? Yeah, go ahead.
Grandma, how have you been?
I've been alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, can I have some cake too?
Yeah, go sit down.
Who made this?
Me?
You made that?
I'm gonna be making some food.
I didn't know you were a baker. Lanaya, you watching this?
No.
Okay then. Game is on.
I wanna play.
Okay.
So, y'all children said y'all been doing y'all school?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma, why not? So tell me, what's 5 times 6?
30.
And Lanai was 7 times 8. 56. Okay.
You know I don't be playing by my work.
Or your games either.
Is that supposed to be rude?
Lanaya, can you go wash the dishes for me, baby? Hold on, Grandma. Can you go wash the dishes now, please? But can I do it later? I'll do it later. Go wash the dishes. Lamek, baby, can you go water the plants?
No. But Grandma, you always got us doing something.
I'm getting old. Go water the plants.
I'll do it later. I'm about to finish this game.
Go water the plants.
Oh my God.
You guys love talking back.
I don't talk back.
That's talking back.
Always gotta doing something.
And pick my tomatoes while you're at it, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, Grandma, I'm all done. Alright, can you take the chicken out of the oven for me, baby? Oh, is this our lunch? Of course. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. Alright, lunch is ready. Y'all come and eat. Okay.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
For the delicious food.
No problem.
Oh, don't forget, we gotta pray.
That's true.
Grandma, that food was delicious. Delicious.
Delicioso.
Delicioso?
They're both the same thing. Thank you, babies.
Oh. I'm gonna go back to the game.
No. Your mom just texted me and said you guys need to read a book for at least an hour.
An hour? I just told you we already did it.
Please.
I wanna play my game.
I said no. Go read the book. I have a bunch right here.
But Grandma, please, just this one time.
Go sit down and read a book. I don't know why y'all acting like this. I'm gonna tell your mom.
Wait, don't tell Mom.
Sit down.
Please.
Alright, boss. I'm about to clock out.
Alright, see ya.
See you tomorrow.
Hello?
Hey, baby. I'm 5 minutes around the corner. Get your stuff ready.
Okay, see ya.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
You better go wake up your brother.
Oh, yeah.
Mac.
What's going on? What's going on? Fire, fire.
No. Mommy's 5 minutes away.
Oh, okay.
Get your stuff ready.
Okay. Alright, Grandma. It was nice coming over here.
Hold on. I love you guys. Love you too.
I love you too, Grandma. Mwah. Don't get too old.
Oh,
Hello?
I'm outside. Come on.
Okay, we'll be right down there.
Tell Grandma I said bye.
Okay.
Bye, baby. Bye, Mom.
Alright, come on, Lamech. Alright.
Love you, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Love you. So, did you guys have fun at Nana's? Hello? Hi, baby. I gotta tell you something about the kids. What is it? So, you gotta teach them some manners. They love to talk back. And when I told them back to water the plants, he didn't do it immediately. He talked back. Oh, really? I gotta talk to them about that, okay? I love you. And thank you for telling me that. Yeah, no problem. Love you too. Good night, baby. Good night, Grandma. I gotta talk to you guys. Oh, no.
Oh my god. I told her.
So, y'all grandma just said that y'all weren't listening.
We literally.
I don't want to hear it. She said that you guys were talking back.
No, we literally did what she told us to do.
You did, but you didn't do it straight away.
What? Well, I was playing my game. Interrupting me.
Oh, no. I do not like the attitude. But, Mom, he wasn't even raising his voice. And I was not talking to you.
It's not even in the Bible, so if it's not in the Bible, I don't care.
Oh, actually, it isn't the Bible.
What?
You're not supposed to murmur, and you're supposed to respect your elders and respect your parents.
No, it doesn't say that in the Bible.
Ooh, Okay, get my phone. Oh. Here, Mommy. Thank you. It says it right here in
Philippians chapter 2 verse 14 it says, "Do all things without murmurings and disputings." And in Exodus chapter 20 verse 12 it says, "Honor thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee."
Oh, it does say that.
And when you're not listening, you're not only making me disappointed, but you're making the Most High disappointed. Because you are supposed to listen.
I'm making God disappointed too.
What? Yup. And even if it wasn't in the Bible, you still need to listen to your parents. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I know I was acting like that.
Yeah, I'll be better.
Yeah, I'll try my best. And I'll do better. And I'll get A's in school. And I'll water the plants for Grandma again.
And I'll wash the dishes without procrastinating.
Yeah, me too. Well, water the plants or take out the garbage.
That's right. I love you guys, okay?
I love you too, Mom.
Love you too.
And we love you guys.
Remember to always listen to your parents and respect your elders.
And here's a little secret. They're not always going to be here forever.
So, make time while you have it with them.
Yes. And until next time, guys.
We'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.